This model grinding head can be exchanged between abrasive belt and buffing wheel, polishing inside and outside of tank, with different grade abrasive belt or buffing wheel, widely used in medical chemical industry, environmental purification, food and beverage, water supply filtration, separation emulsification equipment. Zinaida is a machine manufacturer, 10 years focused on mechanical grinding and polishing. If any inquiry, welcome here and I will try my best to satisfy you well with competitive price.